photographs are everywhere.
But there,
You mean to say you took the photographs?
my lord,
course.
I mean, several persons,
Where did
Just
you get those
show-
photographs from?
the scene of crime was not cordoned at all. People were
But
walking
tell us,
inside.
therefore you took those
It is
photographs.
our suspicion that next, the two seminar rooms was where the crime may have
You're
happened.
also showing
which
all
are
these
being
photographs. And
published.
how do you get possession of these photographs?
Including the seizure list, because there are issues of privacy involved. Well, the seizure list includes all the garments, all the other things, Mother, with photographs. All this is being circulated. Mother, therefore, all this must stop.
Obviously, that leaked when you were in charge of the investigation.
No, not at all. Just the opposite. Published on 4th of, Mother, it's published on 4th September, when the hearing is on 5th September.
One CISF is letting people go to the emergency room without checking the iCards because people say they are doctors or they say they are staff. Now in West Bengal, about 1 lakh odd people are civil employees who are over and above the police. And therefore, they seem to have identification cards without any verification. So they walk in and out. People who say they call them civic volunteers. Now that's dangerous. And this person was perhaps one of the either touts or a civic volunteer who's
He
gone
was a
in.
civic volunteer himself.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Jesus.
They may call themselves whatever, but they have no identification.
Because
no
we are the one who
verification.
arrested him.
This is going on because the moment that they say we are doctors, people are going.
CISF personnel are in charge of the security of the hospital.
Remove
Obviously, they have to
social
take adequate measures to ensure that any person who is seeking to gain access to the emergency ward, it can't be a random access to anybody. Otherwise, how are the doctors protected? So CISF has to tighten up the measures on who can access the emergency wards also.
Correct, Manoj.
It can't be that any random civic volunteer can have full access to the entire emergency ward, which is where all the doctors are on duty at critical care facilities in the hospital.
That is being done, Manoj. That is being done.
So please ask the CISF company to ensure that
It is
all-
ensured. I
all-
can assure your lordship, it is ensured.
that
What she is saying,
all necessary security and safety precautions are adopted
Shall-
for protecting the doctors,
That-
especially
And
those who
what-
are on duty at RG Court, because they were there, right?
My lord, one more request. On social media, photographs of this victim are being floated. These may be taken off. I'm requesting if that
That-
a general
must
direction
respect
can
the
be
dignity
given.
of the.
Because this is not
Of course, it's
permissible
not possible
anywhere in the
to-
world that it should be sensationalized or what it.
But the photographs which you have produced before us at random,
Because we were there, all of us were there, many of
Taking
us,
pictures.
so
10, 20
Photographs are everywhere.
were there.
you mean to say you took the photographs?
My lord,
course.
I mean, several persons,
Where did
Just
you get those
show-
photographs from?
the scene of crime was not cordoned at all. People were
But
walking
tell us,
inside.
therefore you took those
It is
photographs.
our suspicion that next, the two seminar rooms was where the crime may have
You're
happened.
also showing
which
all
are
these
being
photographs, and
published.
how do you get possession of these photographs?
My lord, the fact is that they are being circulated. And this person, one of the persons, I've given the name of some 10, 20 people who are the main miscreants and in this hospital. And my lord, all other hospitals there are having this issue.
Mr. All council, we are going to direct that the photographs of the dead body of the deceased have to be forthwith removed from all social media.
Absolutely.
Correct, correct.
Because
Absolutely. We agree entirely with that.
damage has been done by the
Yes, yes.
circulation of these photographs.
See.
It said that all social media posts
Well, even the seizure list, Malad,
circulating
Not the only one aspect on
photographs
this.
of the dead body of the deceased shall forthwith be removed to ensure the privacy and the dignity of
Dignity.
the victim.
No, direct.
may I add
Not
this,
something more than that.
including the seizure list, because there are issues of privacy involved. Well, the seizure list includes all the garments, all the other things, Malad, with photographs. All this is being circulated. Malad, therefore, all this must stop.
Obviously, that leaked when you were in charge of the investigation.
No, not at all. Just the opposite. Published on 4th of, Malad, published on 4th September, when the hearing is on 5th September.
Mr. Sibal, we'll,
My lord,
Only add one
uh,
thing.
This is not fair, Manoj.
we'll see what happens last, on the next occasion.